are so many pros to engaging in self-pleasure. Let's begin with how it can improve your self-esteem and can actually improve your body image. It can also help you connect with your body and discover your erogenous zones. So it can actually contribute to your partnered sessions as well. Some people might choose to engage in self-pleasure simply because they're bored or because they're very stressed or for no reason at all, and that's all valid too. When it comes to the cons of self-pleasure, there are really none, but some people might feel a sense of guilt or shame, or they might feel uncomfortable because they're not really sharing the experience with their partner. But remember that those notions are things that we've been fed growing up, and there's absolutely nothing wrong in wanting to connect with your body and engage with your body.